Feld?
Yeah.
Here, this can be a great chance for you both to get in touch with your feminine side.
Cup of steel.
Yeah.
Coming up next, Beavis and Butthead apologize to everyone they've ever offended. Stay tuned.
So vote for Beavis and Butthead on this election day.
Yeah. That would be cool.
Yeah.
Okay, let's open it up to questions.
How do you plan to get money for the new football uniform?
Yeah. Decent ball.
Yeah.
And what about paying for the class field trip?
I respect your boundaries.
Yeah. Go with your anger.
Can I have a hug?
Ah, don't touch me, asswipe. I'll wound your inner child. Then I'll kick your ass.
Cool.
And if I'm elected treasurer, I'll focus